You wake up tired. Your mind feels slow. You try harder, push more, blame yourself for being lazy or unmotivated. But psychology says that might not be the real problem. What you're experiencing could be brain fog, not a lack of discipline. And the dangerous part is this. The longer you mislabel it as laziness, the worse it quietly gets. Here are 5 warning signs your brain isn't unmotivated. It's overloaded. Sign number 1. Your thoughts feel heavy, not absent. When motivation is the problem, people usually feel bored. With brain fog, your mind feels crowded. Psychology explains this as cognitive overload. Too many mental processes running at once. You want to focus, but your brain feels stuck in low gear. It's not that you don't care, it's that your mental bandwidth is already maxed out. Sign number 2. You start tasks but can't sustain them. You sit down ready to work, but minutes later your attention collapses. This isn't laziness, it's impaired executive function. Brain fog disrupts the brain's ability to hold focus over time. Starting feels possible. Continuing feels exhausting. Motivation doesn't disappear. Clarity does. Sign number 3. Simple decisions feel weirdly difficult. Choosing what to eat, what to reply, or what to start first suddenly feels overwhelming. Psychology links this to decision fatigue caused by brain fog. Your brain struggles to prioritize because mental processing speed is slowed. You're not indecisive by nature, your brain is temporarily inefficient. Sign number 4. Your memory feels unreliable. You forget words mid-sentence. You reread the same line multiple times. You walk into a room and forget why. This isn't lack of effort. Brain fog interferes with working memory, the system responsible for holding and manipulating information. Motivation doesn't fix memory glitches. Mental clarity does. Sign number 5. You feel mentally tired even after rest. One of the biggest giveaways. You sleep, but your mind still feels dull. That's because brain fog is often linked to poor sleep quality, stress hormones, inflammation, or overstimulation, not lack of drive. Your body rested. Your brain didn't fully recover. Here's the truth. If you keep calling brain fog a motivation problem, you'll keep fighting the wrong battle. Your brain isn't broken. It's overloaded. And the moment you stop blaming yourself and start supporting your mind, clarity slowly returns. If you want more psychology-backed videos that explain what your brain is really going through, not surface-level advice, not fake motivation, hit that subscribe button right now. Because once you understand your mind, everything gets easier to fix.